Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process of creating a new designation. But make sure salary grade and grade must be already created before creating a new designation. Click on the video links given in the description box to know how to create salary grade and grade. Your company is planning to introduce a new designation, then you now need to create this in PromptHR. Before you log in into PromptHR, check that you have admin rights to create a new designation. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Masters from your left-hand side menu. Click on Position. Now click on Designation. In the list view that you see, click on plus icon at the bottom of your screen to open the form to add a new designation. 1. Enter code. 2. Enter the name of the designation. 3. Select salary grade from the list. This designation will come under selected salary grade or grades. 4. Enter age range. Select experience range for this designation and enter desired qualification. But these options are not mandatory. 5. Click on Save. After saving, you can see the newly created designation in the list.